Welcome to the FWDG Showcase. With me is Angela Coxe. As always, it's good to see you. It's so much fun to talk to you each month. We have so much to talk about because there's so much here. But
yes,
today we're going to talk about outdoor furniture. Of course, we're in the middle of summer, and there's a lot to talk about.
Yes, yes. The last time you were here and we were talking about outdoor furniture, it was still chilly out.
Yes.
So I'm glad that you're back and we can discuss this again, because now that it's warmed up, really want to make sure everyone is, knows how to care for their outdoor furniture and keep it like new throughout the summer season.
Right, and this is the time, obviously, that we're really enjoying it, but we're headed into fall. We have such a long season here.
We do.
So we can really use our outdoor furniture a lot. And so you want to talk a little bit today about taking care of it in both the cleaning aspect, which we're going to get to in a little bit, but also preventing from having to clean too much or preventing it from getting too worn. Tell us about some of those techniques.
Yeah, so first I want to just say we have a variety of outdoor furniture. When people come in, they can go to we have a whole showroom dedicated for outdoor furniture. There's so many different sets in there, color options, there's a lot to choose from. And with the different materials there's different ways to clean them and keep them looking like new. We always suggest, though, that you start with preventing damage from the elements.
Right.
And there's several ways to do that. So one of the really cool ways is to get a detachable awning. You can get them and they're retractable, so you just connect it on and it comes out, and it really shields your furniture from getting the rain hitting it, from the UV rays, which is really important because that helps with making sure that your furniture isn't fading.
Right.
So it really keeps the color vibrant.
Yeah.
And then they also have covers, furniture covers.
Yes.
Now you were saying you have outdoor furniture. Do you ever use any covers?
I don't, but actually my parents do.
Okay.
And they're very, very good about it. I think that if I had covers, I would be like the person, they'd be sitting in the corner while it was raining and I was like, oh, I forgot to put those on.
Yeah.
But they're very good about it. They can take it on and off, and they're very good about it. But they do, that really does help.
That is a good practice that they have.
It is.
And the covers, they have multiple options. So you have the ones that prevent just from insects getting in them on your furniture, UV rays. You have also waterproof ones that protect against rain.
Right.
They suggest that you use the waterproof ones if you have to go over a table. Yep. A lot of them also have enough room so you can put your table and your chairs underneath them. Yeah. So we definitely recommend that. And they even have covers for umbrellas.
Right.
Because you don't really think about the umbrella too much. It's like, well, it's supposed to get wet, right?
It's kind of like its function.
Yeah.
But at the same time, some of those big, beautiful canvas, they're kind of like a canvas umbrella, they still get the wear and tear.
Yes.
So
that's very true.
Yeah.
So you want to get your cover for your umbrella, keep it looking like new, prevent the colors from fading. And then another option too that you have, well, I would do this in conjunction, we recommend you do it in conjunction, is you have a spray. We there's a amazing spray from Berlin Gardens. It protects against the rain, so you just spray that on and the water kind of beads up.
Right.
So it's great if you have fabric outdoor furniture or outdoor furniture with cushions. It'll bead up and just prevent excess moisture from getting in there. Yeah. Which is excellent because you want to make sure your outdoor furniture is not getting affected by mold, mildew.
Exactly.
You don't want any rust or anything like that.
No.
So that's a great option.
Yeah, all of those are great options. And the interesting thing is, of course, they're built to go outside. So they're going to, they're meant to handle some of the elements, but we can kind of do a little bit more to keep them living a little bit longer, shall we say.
Absolutely.
And believe it or not, we've only got about a minute left, but we want to talk about cleaning in case we didn't do the covering and we didn't do those things we should have done. And they do get dirty. Yeah. Talk to us a little bit about cleaning.
Well, cleaning, you have several options. Of course, they have a lot of different products in the market, sprays and solutions. I mentioned before, Berlin Gardens has a protective spray. They also have different cleaning sprays that they offer. And even though they're durable, Berlin Gardens, for example, very durable outdoor furniture, it is still something that you want to clean regularly and keep up with the maintenance. So we suggest cleaning your outdoor furniture several times throughout the summer season. And we have, you can actually use a very simple solution. A highly diluted solution of just borax and dish detergent will do. Use a little scrubbing brush and a hose. Yeah. Is really all you need. I know some people, they think, oh, I might need to pressure wash the outdoor furniture. You can do that, like Berlin Gardens, you can actually pressure wash it, really won't damage it. But if it has cushions, you want to make sure you don't do that.
Right, because those can't handle the pressure washer.
Yes,
Yeah.
the water will over penetrate, and then that can lead to mold.
Yeah, and it could also tear it.
Yes.
So, Angela, it's always great to see you. Thank you for this wonderful information about your outdoor furniture. And of course, if you are looking for outdoor furniture, come here and look at their showroom, because they have everything you need, and they will help you along the way to get the right set for you.